In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Steam on a desktop computer. In most cases, Steam updates itself automatically in the background when you open the app, so you usually won't have to do anything. Still, if Steam seems out of date, isn't working properly, or you just want to confirm that you're using the latest version, it's easy to manually check for an update. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. If Steam asks you to sign in, go ahead and log into your account first. Once the app is open and you're on the main Steam window, look at the very top of the screen for the menu bar. There, click on Steam. This opens a drop-down menu with options related to the application itself, not your game library. In that menu, select Check for Steam Client Updates. As soon as you click it, Steam will begin checking to see whether a newer version is available. If there is an update, Steam will automatically start downloading it for you. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the download to finish. The time this takes can vary depending on the size of the update and the speed of your internet connection, so don't worry if it takes a little longer on some systems. Once the update finishes downloading, you should see a Restart Steam button. Click that to complete the update process. Steam will close, apply the update, and then relaunch. When it opens again, you should be running the latest version of the Steam client. If you check for updates and nothing appears, that usually means Steam is already fully up to date. Also, if Steam takes a moment to restart after the update, that's completely normal, so just give it a little time to finish loading. And that's it. Manually updating Steam is quick, simple, and it can be a helpful troubleshooting step if the app isn't behaving the way it should.